Today, I will introduce a XG30U excavator produced by our factory. Our excavator comes standard with a large arm size, standard steel tracks, and chassis extension. Chassis can be reduced to 1.3 meters. And our excavator maximum excavation depth is 0.6 meters, and the maximum excavation height is 4.5. What about our 30U excavator? It's equipped with a Yamaha engine. Equipped with Yamaha Euro 5 VPI engine. Equipped with high-speed and low-speed dual-speed working. Paired with a plunger pump and pilot operation, the action is smooth and silky. Equipped with solid cast iron counterweight at the rear. Our excavator is suitable for municipal engineering, personal use, etc.